Hi all, I just wanted to show you very quickly what I do when I wake up in the morning. I feel unfocused and sluggish, and just even drinking my coffee and my tea, I just can't wake up, right? Sometimes you just feel that way, like you've been out cruising the universe and you came back into your body and it's like, oh no, I'm back here again. I know some of you can relate. What I do is I take my pendulum and I just start spinning it counterclockwise. You can use your hand too. And so you just start going counterclockwise and just saying, okay, I now release all stagnant energy. I release this feeling of not being focused. I also am clearing out now all of my major and minor chakras, all the way up. From the tips of my toes all the way up to my higher self, just clearing, clearing, clearing. Also clearing any non-beneficial spirits, energies, entities, energy vampires. Especially those in my neck and my spine, just letting all that go now, letting it all go. Opening my energy to just release, calling on the spirit doctors to take away all non-beneficial energies, entities, emotions that are in me now, that are limiting me in any way, just clearing them all out. So you might feel like, I just did like, whoo, okay, that's good, that's good. Then start spinning clockwise, which spins the energies into, instills energies and emotions that you want. And I just go ahead and I now upgrade my life force to 100% strength and power. All my body systems, even my skin, my endocrine system, my heart, my lungs, my elimination system, my digestive tract, everything. All my senses, I now spin into 100% effectiveness and functionality now. My body knows how to heal anything, and so it does. I now upgrade my desire to live and to be well to 100%. I upgrade my energy now, my immune system, my metabolism to 100% power, effectiveness, functionality. Whew. I open my lungs to breathe in the sweet, precious air that energizes me and energizes and nourishes all the cells, atoms, molecules in my body, and so it is. Feeling so good and so happy, and I open my energy now to the universe, and I ask that whatever I'm supposed to be doing today, that it is done with the most incredible goodness, grace, and glory, to shine my light and to help others, and so it is. Wow, I hope you're feeling as good as I am now, and I hope this worked well for you. I'd love to read your compliments and your comments or your criticisms about what you did and didn't like, or what you'd like to see in future videos. Meantime, thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourself, because you're a treasure. When you learn to douse, the universal wisdom is yours for the asking. Please check out my book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing, and any of my self-healing books, all available and very affordable on Amazon. Thank you.